Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And currently I am 6 months pregnant. I'm almost at the end of my second trimester, so I'm really happy. I really want it to be over. It's just that it just feels like a very long time, and I'm not a very patient person. And usually I have breakfast with Aman, but he's away on a work trip, so I just had a breakfast by myself. So yeah, I'm actually getting ready to work out. My husband is very nice. He actually got me a treadmill because I don't want to go out and, you know, work out because the pollution in Delhi is not great and I personally don't like it. So yeah, I'm just gonna go and do a quick workout. By quick, I mean like at least 30-40 minutes. I actually gained around 3 kilos in my last doctor's appointment, and I told my doctor that I don't want to gain a lot of weight. She told me that in the third trimester, it's going to be like every week the baby's gonna at least put on like 45 grams, which means by the end of my term, it should be like half a kilo or 1 kilo around. And I don't want it to be so much, like I don't want to gain so much weight. So I decided to just do my best and control my weight. Also, if you're pregnant and you want to work out, I don't think there's a problem, but still, please consult your doctor. Everyone's body is different and you don't want to do anything to harm yourself or the baby, so just consult your doctor. I'll be very honest. I don't run in my workout because that is not safe for the baby, at least what I have been told from my end. I am so blind right now without my glasses or my lens. Remember, no retinol in pregnancy. Very important. I stopped using retinol when we were conceiving. This is by far the best stretch mark cream out there, recommended online everywhere. I have been using this cream for throughout my entire pregnancy, and let me tell you, so far it's good. I am looking forward to the results once the baby is here, because I think those are the results that truly matter. I like extra care. Also, my doctor told me that is not what cream you use, but how you apply it. So do ask your doctor on how to exactly apply the cream, because that is what truly matters. So this is pretty much my morning routine. I am wearing a kaftan. I actually got this kaftan long time before getting pregnant. I have not really bought a lot of clothes for my pregnancy because I feel like I wouldn't be using them too much, and also I don't have to go out of the house too much. So I think that is one reason I don't need it. Oh my god, I love this lip balm. Got it from Icon Siam in Bangkok. Also, Bangkok earthquake makes me so sad. I'm just gonna be at home, so I'm just going to apply some lipstick as well. So yeah guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. This is my second trimester and this is literally what my everyday routine looks like. There is absolutely no changes, maybe one thing I add or take away, but that is about it. I'm gonna go have an apple because I'm so hungry after the workout and I'm so sleepy, which are again hungry, sleepy symptoms of pregnancy. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video and until the next one.